I'm Dave Whittle. Over the next few minutes, let's talk about the next big thing, social commerce, focusing on consumer electronics. So what's the problem with the way things are? Well, let's face it, it's hard to keep up with technology, and most people buy a lot of digital junk. Product returns in the consumer electronics industry alone cost $17 billion every year. So why are we wasting so much time and money just on electronics? I think the answer is simple. What people really want is reliable advice and recommendations from people they trust, but what they get instead are ads nobody trusts, suspect ratings from too few raters, bad advice from sales clerks, online shills, and affiliate marketers, and lengthy, tedious reviews. The solution, in my opinion, is social commerce done right, where you're able to get recommendations based on the real-life product experience of people you trust, in simple ranked list of what's best, most wanted, and worst, according to the wisdom of crowds. So our experts agree. The answer to the question then of how do you do social commerce right is CoolHotNot. Here's why. In the not too distant future, we're going to have a fun social website with user-generated content and network effects. But in the meantime, today at CoolHotNot, the crowd is 8 of the most respected influencers in consumer electronics. We call them the CoolHotNot tech experts. Each one of these tech experts share their individual lists at CoolHotNot.com. Here, for example, is Chris Perillo's loved list. His cool products are the ones he loves and recommends that are on his loved list. His hot products are those he found new and exciting and wants to get his hands on that are on his wanted list. His not products are those he found disappointing that are on his letdown list. The other experts also share their lists with us, and we then merge these 8 individual lists, or any number of lists, using our patent-pending algorithm to give you ranked lists of what's best, most wanted, and worst in consumer electronics according to the tech experts. You can then filter these ranked lists by categories such as mobile phone or laptop, or by keywords such as Apple. Doing so filters the list, like in this example, you can only see the Apple products recommended by the group of experts, still in ranked order from the most recommended on down. Clicking on any of the product images takes you directly to a page with more detailed information about the product, including mini reviews and recommended vendors. Clicking on the Win Cool Stuff tab brings up our featured giveaway page where you can win products that site members tell us are cool and hot. Then just click on the I Want It button and we add it to your wanted list. We then pick a winner at the end of each contest period by choosing randomly from those who have the product we're giving away on their wanted list. That means everybody's more likely to win stuff that they really want. Okay, now let me show you the best part, a sneak preview of the site as it will be later this year. That's when you'll be able to create your own loved, wanted, and letdown list, just like my sample page here. And also coming soon, you'll be able to connect with your Facebook friends and Twitter followers, and you'll be able to choose your own experts, which is powerful. More on that in a bit. But first, take a look at the top of the screen where you can see your cred level when you're logged in. Everyone on the site has a cred level, and this is a key feature of our site and our algorithm. And that cred level is based on whether we have valid information for you, how many friends and followers you have, and other indicators of how real you are and how many people trust you. When somebody first joins, their cred level is member, and their product ratings are given a relatively low weighting in the ranking algorithm whenever their lists are included in the combined lists that somebody else is looking at. That's how we solve the astroturfing problem. Now, if you click on My Friends, you'll bring up the combined lists of just your friends, and you'll be able to categorize and filter those lists just like you've seen with the tech experts lists. So imagine being able to quickly and easily see which laptops or smartphones or tablets are most highly recommended by your friends as a group. Also, by clicking on a friend's picture, you'll be able to see their individual lists, perhaps to get gift ideas from their wanted list. So are you starting to see the power of social list sharing? But wait, there's more. Clicking on My Experts brings you the combined list page of your own chosen experts, the people whose recommendations you trust most for whatever reasons you might have. This provides you with total control over whose lists are combined to give you personalized, ranked product guidance, and gives you the power to get instant recommendations from the people you choose to trust according to their combined wisdom. Now, finally, clicking on CoolHotNot Crowd will bring up the CoolHotNot Crowd lists, where everyone's individual lists are combined to produce ranked lists that amount to the wisdom of the masses about which products to buy and which ones to shun. By capturing massive amounts of real-life experience and condensing it for easy consumption, we deliver the same thing Google delivers, high-quality information in the form of ranked lists. Like any great website, we fill a need in a way that's creative and lets our members create their own experience there. We've got a lot more planned than we have time to talk about today, so let me just invite you to join us today, become a charter member of the growing CoolHotNot community. You'll need a referral ID when you sign up, so just remember that Dave sent you. See you at CoolHotNot.